Hi everyone, and welcome back to Health Journey. Winter is here, and with it comes the craving for warm soups, comfort food, and that tangy crunch of pickles. But did you know that pickles aren't just tasty, they're a powerhouse of health benefits, especially during the winter months? Quick heads up, everything in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. You can find all the references in the description box. But remember, always check with your healthcare provider before trying any new health tips. All right, let's dive in. In today's video, we'll uncover 10 reasons why pickles are good for you in winter. Whether you're snacking on them straight from the jar or pairing them with your favorite meals, pickles can boost your health in surprising ways. Stay tuned, because some of these benefits might just convince you to stock up on this humble fermented food this season. Let's dive right in. 1. Boost your immune system. Winter is notorious for colds and flu, but pickles, especially fermented ones like kimchi or sauerkraut, are rich in probiotics. Probiotics strengthen your gut, which is home to 70% of your immune system. A healthy gut means a stronger defense against winter bugs. Remember how your grandma always had a jar of pickles during the cold months? Turns out, she knew the secret to staying healthy all along. 2. Packed with antioxidants. Pickles are a great source of antioxidants like vitamin C and E, which help combat free radicals that can weaken your body during winter. These antioxidants also support glowing skin, a bonus in the dry, harsh winter air. According to a study published in Nutrients Journal, antioxidants can reduce inflammation and boost overall health, especially in cold weather. 3. Excellent for gut health. During the festive season, it's easy to indulge in heavy foods, leaving your gut feeling sluggish. Fermented pickles promote healthy digestion by introducing good bacteria into your system. They can also help reduce bloating and indigestion. Have you ever noticed how a small bite of pickle after a heavy meal can instantly make you feel lighter? Let me know in the comments if you've experienced this. 4. Help you stay hydrated. Dehydration is common in winter because we often forget to drink enough water. Pickles are high in water content and electrolytes, which help keep you hydrated. Plus, the salt in pickles helps retain essential fluids in your body. 5. Rich in essential vitamins and minerals. Pickles are a source of important nutrients like potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which support muscle function, heart health, and bone strength. Perfect for those chilly months when our bodies need extra care. 6. Help curb sugar cravings. Craving sugary treats during winter? The tangy taste of pickles can satisfy your cravings while keeping your blood sugar stable. Their low-calorie content makes them a guilt-free snack. Next time you reach for a cookie, try munching on a pickle instead. Your waistline will thank you. 7. Natural remedy for colds. The vinegar used in pickling has antimicrobial properties that can soothe sore throats and help fight off mild colds. A warm glass of pickle juice can even act as a natural remedy for respiratory congestion. 8. Provide energy for cold days. Feeling sluggish during those long winter afternoons? Pickles contain natural electrolytes that can give you a quick energy boost, making them an excellent snack after a workout or a brisk walk in the cold. 9. Support weight management. Winter often leads to weight gain due to reduced physical activity and comfort food cravings. Pickles are low in calories and high in flavor, making them a perfect addition to your meals to keep you full without packing on extra pounds. 10. Improve mental well-being. Believe it or not, your gut health and mental health are connected. The probiotics in pickles promote serotonin production, often called the happy hormone, which can help reduce winter blues. Think of your gut as a garden. Probiotics are like the gardeners, keeping everything healthy and flourishing so you feel your best. And there you have it, 10 amazing reasons to enjoy pickles this winter. From boosting your immunity to lifting your mood, these tangy treats are more than just a side dish. If you haven't already, make pickles a part of your winter routine. Experiment with different types cucumber pickles, kimchi, sauerkraut, or even homemade ones. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite way to enjoy pickles? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Health Journey, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our health tips. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep that jar of pickles closed this winter.